Hey guys, this is Mindy's Marketing Mondays. Hey guys, welcome back to Mindy's Marketing Mondays. This is Starfish's bi-monthly segment where I talk about marketing tips, tricks, and just general marketing advice to help you grow your business online. So today I wanted to talk about the difference in a boosted post and an actual ad. So this is an issue that we've ran into quite a bit with our clients and the difference between the two. If you're not experienced in the ad buying world, there definitely could be some confusion, and we really want to clear that up today and understanding the difference and how both have great strategies and tactics of reaching potential customers and clients. So a boosted post is literally taking a post that you have posted organically on your business's timeline. So this is a graphic that you've made and you've gone and you've literally uploaded it to appear on your business's feed. So when you boost that post, what you're doing is you're essentially just funneling a little bit of an investment in Facebook, pushing that post out more to people who follow your page. There's also an option to boost the post to people who follow or who are friends with the people who follow your page. So what it does is it essentially just kind of gives a literal boost to the post that you have already made onto your timeline to help more eyeballs see the post. Facebook works specifically on algorithms. So when you boost a post, it helps Facebook essentially invest back and put that post in front of your audiences, your fans, and your viewers. The difference between that and an ad is that an ad is not something that you actually post onto your direct timeline or your feed. An ad is something that you actually run from a separate platform known as Facebook's ad manager platform. So an ad is not something that you're gonna go and post to your timeline. You're gonna go to that platform and you are going to upload that graphic into that platform, and you are gonna create a very specific targeting strategy for that ad. Now that ad is going to only get seen by people who fit the targeting that you have set for it. So if you are targeting, let's say, women from the age of 25 to 45 that have an annual income of 35K and up a year, and that they frequent like a yoga studio or that they're into fitness, let's just say that is this specific strategy and people that you're targeting. Only people who fall into that category are going to see that ad. You are not going to see this ad show up in your newsfeed. You are not going to see it show up on your page. So when you hire an ad agency or somebody to run an actual social media ad for you, there is a high chance that you are not going to actively see the ad on your feed unless you are a part of the target demographic. So when the ads are being ran, the only time that you may see the ad is if the person who runs the ad actually shows you the ad in advance, or if you actually fit the target demographic. Now, if it's your business and you own the business, there is no reason that you should be a part of that target demographic because the algorithms already know that you are the business owner. So there's really no sense in wasting ad dollars on offering that impression to you. That is a wasted impression. That is a wasted use of your ad dollars. So if you are a part of the target demographic, you don't want to see the ad if you are already a participating client, just because, again, it's wasted ad dollars. So when you see a post on your timeline, or you see the post that it has been posted directly from the page itself, and it is boosted, that is an actual boosted post, that is not an ad. If you are a part of a demographic and the ad was ran on the back end of the social media from their ad buying platform, that is an actual advertisement. So that is the difference between the boost, and that is the difference between the ads. If this is something that you would like to understand more and you would like to really hone in on the differences between a boosted post and an advertising and what the strategy is behind that, we do offer consulting services for people to help you better understand understand when your message should be an organic post that is boosted and when your message should actually be put into an actual ad. So if this is something you want to learn more about, obviously reach out to us. This is something we handle as an agency. It is also something that we can help consult you on as a small business owner. If you like this video, please comment and share. And if you have any other topics that you want us to cover, any other thing that you witness happening in the ad world that you find fascinating or that you want to learn more about, please don't hesitate to reach out and comment your ideas below. Thanks.